right next to the garden is our carport area. The garden and the carport. We're going to tear down the entire carport and clear it all out. And we will start with building the footings for a 16 by 12 foot greenhouse. And we're gonna do it in the rain today. We were able to get the holes dug, the tarp down, and I forget how big my backyard is for a in the city yard. I forget we had all that space. I mean, this space from here to here is 12 feet. So, and then like I said, the greenhouse will be 16 feet this way. Yeah, we're going to fix those posts, cement them tomorrow. We're a bit wiped out and rained out today. My son wants to say hi. He loves to be on camera. This is how much rain we are getting so far. So our plans have been a little bit delayed with all this rain. I'm a little bummed. Although the holes don't seem to be too wet, contemplating maybe doing the concrete and covering it. I don't know. Really wanted to get the footing done this weekend.